Hi guys, it's Pam from Old Hippie Homesteaders. So what do you do when you have too many cranberries left over? These are raw cranberries, not cooked, nothing. I'm going to show you how I make my cranberry juice. Now pay attention, because if you look away, you're going to miss how I do it. It's that easy. So I take all the cranberries, I wash them, and I sort them. If there's any that, are black or they just don't look right, I toss them out to the chickens. So what you're going to do, I use quart jars. And I fill it, well, that's a little much right there. I fill it about a quarter of the way. Now this is cranberry juice with no sugar, no nothing. Just pure goodness. Okay, so I have just a little bit left over. See that? So I'm going to divide it among the jars. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay. Now today I'm using my steamer. This kind of takes the place of water bath. If you guys still use your water bath, go for it. That's perfect. I just upgraded to the steamer. The reason I upgraded was because we are in a really severe drought again, and this takes this much water instead of this much water. You kind of do it the same way. Okay, so you're going to take water. It can be cold water, it can be hot water, it can be right out of your sink. You're going to cover up to the bottom right there. Okay? Let me go get some more water real quick here. Now I'm using the canning seals from 4 jars. I swear by these now, guys. I don't use ball anymore because the last time I bought them, they were from China. So I switched to 4 jars, and I'm also an affiliate for the 4 jar company. And I will put the link in the video description so you can get 10% off. And today they also have 30% off, and then you take my 10, that's another 10% off of that. So you just fill the jar with the water, just like you would when you're canning your food. You go below, right here, the neck. Some people put boiling water in. I don't. I don't think that's a step that you need, because once it hits the water bath or the steamer, the water is going to be hot anyway. Just saves you time. This is easy peasy. You just put the jars in the canner. Okay. These don't need to be sterilized. If you want to, you can. I've never had these seals not work. They've sealed every single time. And I can some crazy stuff. Now, if you want to rinse them off, go ahead and rinse them off. They come in a little sealed, sterilized bag package. One more ring. Okay. So on the steamer, this is called Fruit Saver. Can you see that? It's called Fruit Saver. Here's the controls right here. Very simple, easy to use. It just has to get into the green. Let me see here. So it says the zones. If you live in zone 1, 2, or 3, it's got the elevation. I know where I need to be. And you start the timer when the needle reaches your zone's green area. Okay? Now I've got water in here. Let me show you. Okay. See this tray it sits on? There's the water. You only fill it till it goes to the bottom of the tray. Don't let it come through the tray. All right, there we go. Doesn't that look good? So I'm going to turn it on. There's a little vent hole in the back. Put that towards the back of your stove. Fruit Saver goes towards the front. So I'm going to watch this. When it gets up to the perfect temperature, then you're going to turn it down like you normally would for a pressure canner. You want to hold that heat. Once it gets to that temperature, then I will start my timer and I will tell you how long it's going to take for these jars. Okay guys, so this is just about ready. Now there's 3 zones on this steamer. The first zone is 0 elevation to 3,000, I think. Oh no, wait, got that wrong. Let me see, I can't see, it's awful dark. And that zone 2 is 3,000 to 6,000, and that's my zone. And then it's higher, it goes higher than that. So it's almost to the green. See that? And I'm zone 2. So it has to go right here. So when it gets to that zone, I'm going to turn it down to where it can stay at the constant temperature. And then you're going to either use your hot bath or the steamer, and it goes to quartz go for 25 minutes, guys. 25 minutes. And then if you're using the steamer, you don't take the lid off right away. You leave it on about 5 minutes. And then you can remove the lid. But it all tells all about that, all of the instructions and stuff. So just get ready here. Okay, so I'm going to start my timer for 25 minutes. And we'll be back as soon as this is done. Okay, it's done and it's been setting. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful. Oh no. You see that? You see this? The jar broke. Come in a little closer. I had a broken jar. Okay, well, I can tell you for a fact that these tall, odd shape, I think it's a half, I think it's a quart and a half, or no, not a quart and a half. I can't remember the size of these jars. These were handed down to me over 20 years ago. So, and I only have one left, and it's over here. Oh boy, okay. Well, I'm going to still save the seal. Look at this. Okay, guys. This is pure cranberry juice. Pure cranberry juice. Okay. This is cranberry juice cocktail. This has 140 calories in it. There's water, sugar, cranberry juice concentrate, absorbic acid, and vegetable juice for color. It only contains 27% juice. Okay? There is 35 milligrams of sodium, total carbs 34, total sugars 31, including 28 grams of added sugars at 56%. Would you rather drink this crap or this beautiful, pure cranberry juice? Now, when you go to drink this is shelf stable for a few years. I make my grape juice, my apple juice, I make it all the same way. So when you go to open it up, you either just put a little strainer over your cup so it catches all the cranberries. I just hold the seal against the jar and it holds back the fruit. But this is pure cranberry juice, guys. Nothing else. You saw me make it. Not even sugar. Because you don't need it. Okay, let's see. Let's get these out. There we go. Now here's the one. Let me open the trash real quick. Here's the one that's broke. Where did it break? Oh, the bottom came off. Look at that. The bottom came off, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna, oh, there it goes. The bottom fell out. Look at that. The bottom fell out. That's what these old jars do. So see, even I can have a canning problem. So I'm going to save the ring and the seal, and the jar goes in the trash. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Anyway, so I got 5 beautiful quarts. This is the last size of this jar. So maybe I think I might just toss this one just to be safe. So there you go. You can have this pure goodness or this junk here. Hope you guys learned something. I do this, like I said, I do the same to grapes, cherries. It's how I make my juice. And this is shelf stable. I just opened up a grape juice the other day and it was almost 3 years old and it was beautiful. So don't forget to date it, mark what it is. I'll do it right now. Cranberry. And it's November 22. Peace out, guys. Have a cool day.